Hello, good morning. This is Giuseppe here. Okay, so just a quick walk around in the latest project refurb that we're doing. This is project Dumayat and it's been rewired completely, which means that was probably one of the biggest jobs in this house. I'm going to go around here. We put all the spotlights everywhere because I love them. Bathroom needs a full refurb, as you can see it's all messed up at the moment, but we are going to change it completely. It's not really nice at the moment. Then we have one of the bedrooms here. So on the other side you have another bedroom. Here we go. It's quite spacious and with a little cupboard there as well. All in all, this is a great project. We learn so much from this project because every time you buy a property, then you find something new, something different. For example, sometimes you have to replace the bathroom, sometimes you have to replace the kitchen, sometimes you have to do a full plastering, sometimes you have to do a full rewire. So every property is a surprise, you know, it's a box. It's once you open it, once you unwrap it, then you find something different. And that's why this is the beauty of property and property investing. Now, the next project is going to be soon, and in that case the kitchen as well needs to be replaced, as well as the bathroom, the flooring and everything. But for now, let's focus on this one. The numbers are purchase price 72, home report was about 77 for this one, so a little discount there, and full refurb I would say around 8-9k more or less. And then the actual value, the GDV value, so after refurb, will be in the region of 95. So it's a very good project, very good property, and I'm really looking forward to rent it out and refinance it so I can pull the money out and go to the next project. Right, so that's it for now. This is the update and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.